Want to be more confident? Understand how to hack your mind to feel more confident by this non-verbal command. Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I am on a mission to help millions of people to change their mindset and build their self-esteem. Today I am going to share with you an amazing hack that you can use to build your confidence, build your self-esteem. Firstly, what is that? Then how can you apply on you? It is all about how you look. You should look more confident if you want to feel more confident. That is, you need to command non-verbally now. People with sluggish posture have always have negative impact on their appearance, no matter how well dressed they are. Can you remind of somebody like that? You must have seen somebody. So now you need to first understand that your duty is to have a good posture. Always stand straight, shoulder back, hands held high, no matter where you are. And you will see you will look more confident. And when you look more confident, you start feeling that confidence within. Am I right? You must have felt it some or other day with yourself. So what all you can do? First, you should always make an eye contact with the person you are talking to. It shows that you are confident and then the other person also perceives you in that way. Just think about it, you're talking to somebody and that person is looking left or right, not in your eyes. How would you feel? The first thing that comes in mind is the person, if he or she is not looking into your eyes while talking, it means that person is not trustworthy. Others are going to perceive you as well. When you look confident, you feel confident, and then you are also treated with respect. Second, you should always smile. When everything is going good, you are smiling, isn't it? But it also goes another way. When you smile, everything else gets better. Even your relationships gets better as well. Third, use your arms to be more expressive. When you use gesture, the other person perceives you as a friendly person. How would you like to appear to other person? Don't you want to look friendly? If yes, then use hand gestures while you are talking. Fourth and very important, use your arm and palm up gesture while talking. If somebody is suggesting you something, if somebody is sharing something new with you, you should have a palm up because it shows that you are open to learn something new, that you are open to hear that person. You are sincere as well as confident. Just think about it, you are talking to somebody and that person folds his hands like this and keep listening to you. Now think how you are going to perceive that person. No matter what you are saying right now, but subconsciously our mind always thinks that the other person is actually either not interested in what we are suggesting, or he's not open to listen to something new. This is how others also perceives you. Always take care of these four things. Maintain your eye contact, smile, use gestures, and the palm up gesture. Yesterday I have shared with you the power postures. So now the time for an exercise, which is the exercise to hack your confidence. Think back the timeline and find out those moments where you got some victory, some achievement, whether small or big, doesn't matter. You need to write it, right? Second, you need to describe how you were feeling, how was your body posture at that time, how was your expressions, and how was your breathing. You need to note them down properly. And then comes the third and the main point. Now just stand up and go in front of the mirror. right now. And just look into the mirror and start feeling all those emotions, all those expressions which you just wrote about your victory. And start acting like that, the way you were acting on that day. And once you do it, let me know in the comment box how did you feel. I assure you, you will feel more confident if you follow this. This is an amazing hack. I have used it many times. This is the time for you to use it and increase your confidence, internally as well as externally. Use this 3-point confidence hack and become more confident. That's it for today. I will come again tomorrow with another building block of inner self-confidence. Till then, stay safe and most importantly, love yourself. Bye-bye.